Winds of winter blow in tonight, resulting in some very chilly air to kick off the work week. Now, right now, not really seeing that stiff of wind gusts, up to about 22 miles per hour in Monroe. That's about as windy as it gets. As you zoom out, though, you can see that the gusts are over 30, even over 40 miles per hour in Iowa, and eventually that windy weather rolls in about 3 or 4 hours from now. So get ready for a windy night and a windy start to Monday. Wind advisories will be in effect after 2 a.m., last until noon, which means all of Monday morning going to be dealing with 40, even 50 mile an hour wind gusts. That means difficult driving conditions, especially on north to south running roads, and unsecured objects might blow around. So hopefully you don't lose too many holiday decorations or trash cans, because the winds are going to be pretty strong tomorrow. Now, satellite radar is dry after a day filled with rain and even some sleet early on. There are some flurries popping up on radar off to our north. We may get a couple scattered flurries as that cold air rolls in with the strong winds later on tonight as well as into tomorrow morning. Right now, dry, somewhat cloudy, getting ready for those strong winds to be on the way. Up to about 25 miles per hour out of the west, gusting to 45 miles per hour, temperature down to 28. And that might be about as warm as it gets. We'll have one of those days where the temperature just keeps slowly dropping throughout the day. So in the morning, settling down into the middle 20s, wind chill continuing to drop down to the teens. So get those winter layers out. Definitely going to need them as we go throughout the day tomorrow. You can see by the afternoon, we'll be continuing to drop. So we may be down into the low 20s by the end of the day. Morning flurries give way to some sunshine, but still looking windy and cold even after the advisory expires. Still could see some 40 mile an hour wind gusts or so going throughout the afternoon and into the evening. In fact, here are the wind gusts, and as they settle down, they will drop along with the wind chill. So even though the winds get lighter, that wind chill continuing to settle down into the single digits by tomorrow night, likely to be below zero by the end of Monday night. So get ready for that extra harsh air to settle in late tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and then an unsettled week ahead. Some flurries possible Tuesday into Tuesday night. Not really looking at much for accumulation there. Later on in the week, rain and snow possible Thursday as well as Friday and into the weekend. So we've got a couple chances for some showers around the corner. So definitely going to have to use your caution on the roads, and definitely watch the forecast for updates over the next couple days. And it's kind of an on and off scenario here, where Tuesday we get flurries, then a day off. Thursday we get showers, then a day off. Saturday could look a little wet. Temperatures do rebound this week. After a chilly Tuesday, we jump back into the 40s late in the week. In fact, in your most accurate 10-day forecast, we do see temperatures all the way up potentially into the 50s by early next week. So even though we've got some chilly weather for the next 48 hours or so, things do rebound back to milder levels quite soon here. And we'll have to definitely keep track of that throughout the week in our 4-degree guarantee. Tomorrow's forecast 28. We'll have to see if we can push that cash total higher.